Tired of buffering? Want to download movies in seconds? Let's dive deep into the world of fiber optics. At the heart of fiber optics is a thin, transparent core made of glass or plastic. This core is surrounded by a cladding layer that reflects light back into the core, ensuring it travels in a straight line. The magic behind fiber optics lies in a phenomenon called total internal reflection. When light strikes the boundary between the core and cladding at a specific angle, it is reflected back into the core, preventing it from escaping. Fiber optics offers several key advantages over traditional copper cables. Higher bandwidth can carry more data at once, leading to faster speeds. Longer distances can transmit signals over longer distances without significant signal loss. Less interference, immune to electromagnetic interference, ensuring a cleaner signal. Durability, more resistant to environmental factors and less susceptible to damage. How fiber optics increases internet speed. Fiber optics increases internet speed by transmitting data as light pulses. Light travels significantly faster than electricity, which is used in traditional copper cables. It also offers higher bandwidth, meaning fiber optics can carry more data at once, allowing for faster downloads and uploads. Plus, fiber optics reduce interference, as they are immune to electromagnetic interference. This ensures a cleaner and more reliable connection. And enabling longer distances, fiber optic cables can transmit data over longer distances without significant signal loss, reducing the need for multiple repeaters. Types of fiber optic cables. Fiber optic cables come in various types, each with its own characteristics. Single-mode fiber is used for long-distance transmission and high-bandwidth applications. Multi-mode fiber is suitable for shorter distances and lower bandwidth requirements. Bend-insensitive fiber is designed to withstand bending without significant signal loss. Fiber optics is revolutionizing industries. From lightning-fast internet connections to precise medical procedures, its applications are endless. In telecommunications, it connects homes, businesses, and data centers to the internet. In healthcare, it enables telemedicine, remote surgery, and medical imaging. For entertainment, it powers high-definition streaming, online gaming, and virtual reality experiences. In industrial automation, it controls machinery and processes in factories. And in military and defense, it is used for secure communications and surveillance. Fiber optics is the future of connectivity. It's transforming the way we live, work, and play. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more. Stay tuned for more tech updates.